friends, you're watching Rocky Mountain Gardens. I'm Mary, and today I will be sharing another thrift haul with you. I haven't done one in probably a couple of months, but in the meantime, I have been going to my favorite thrift shops and really have found some treasures. So I just was so excited to share them all with you today. Let's get started on them. Just jump right in. I'm in my kitchen today and wearing my favorite autumn apron. So cute. I found it at Hobby Lobby in an after season sale, so I got a good deal on it. And guys, I wanted to start with a few books that I have found recently that make me so excited. Now, I did find this book, which is a copy of Jane Austen's story, which is called Emma. And I mentioned in an earlier thrift haul that I was hoping to collect all of her books in hardback. So this was another one that I could add to my collection. And then, oh my gosh, are you an Anne of Green Gables fan like me and quite a few of my friends? We all love, especially the original Anne of Green Gables that was on PBS when my daughter actually was in junior high, and we watched it together and we just loved that story. So I found this Anne of Green Gables Treasury and I just adore it. It has wonderful pictures like this map of Avonlea. So it contains recipes from the stories, different things that they cooked, information about gardening, and let me see if I can show you here. The fashions of the time, how different crafts that they did in that age, how to make an apron, just really lovely illustrations that are so fun. I'm so excited to have this book. And then guys, I got this fantastic gardening book focusing on rose gardening, and it is filled with just spectacular photographs of different roses that you could add in your own garden, and of course how to care for them and so on. And I put my first rose bush in last summer and it's doing well, so I'm kind of interested in adding more, and I hope to learn more about it from this book. All right, I have been doing some collecting of milk glass. By the way, these books range from $2 to $3 in price. And then this milk glass bud vase is so pretty. I love the design on it. And what I like about it is that it was $1.99. And the Arc, where I bought it, on Tuesdays they have 50% off for seniors, which is 55 and above. And then on Saturdays they have 50% off certain colors of tags, and they're 50% off for everyone. And so, if it's a color that you have chosen for something to purchase, you actually get 50% off. So this was $1 for this really lovely bud vase. If you live in Colorado, I really encourage you to shop at the Arc. I think they have great bargains, and they also have had a really good variety of vintage items. Now, I got this vintage, well, I should say, I'm not sure if it's vintage, but it's certainly aged, and it is tarnished. This nice brass candlestick, and I have been looking for candlesticks, so recently I've gotten several others. You may have seen them, for example, in my home tour where I featured the centerpiece on my dining room table, and two of those I've owned for many years, but the other candlesticks were all thrifted. In any case, this one was $6.99, but I was so lucky to get it for half price at the Ark. So it was $3.50. Now, friends, I have been collecting quite a few bisque little figurines. Let me bring this one up close to you. This little, like, it looks like a little fairy or elf sitting on a snail. Isn't he the cutest? And you know I like to collect bisque figurines, and this one is just darling for the fall. It has exactly the right colors. And I think, I don't have the price tag on him anymore, but I think he was $1.99. And then I have this little girl, and she was 99 cents. She looks like a little pilgrim girl for the fall. Another perfect figurine. Guys, I love to collect these and use them in the different seasons. You know, I'm used to my parents and aunts and grandparents having figurines and just letting them sit on a shelf, and they never move. They just are part of the constant decor of their home. Well, what I love to do with these is to use them specifically for different seasons. So it changes out the look of your house and adds interest for that season. And I just, you know, each holiday has its own special color palette. And so this is a way that you can introduce that color palette into your home with vintage figurines that are really darling. Let's take a look at now at some, and I have some close-ups here that I can show you of some of the other things that I've picked up. And I will describe them and talk about prices as we look at them. First is this small chicken. I just love it. It has beautiful fall colors, cost $1.99, and it also I think will be useful in my summer decor when I bring out my chickens for a farmhouse theme. Next is this little farm boy who has fallen asleep, sitting here with his bare feet. He's just darling. And he costs $2.59. Another example of a bisque figure. And then I found this darling little mouse who is watering her sunflowers. And she was $1.99 as well. There at the bottom it says, "Feed the seeds of friendship." A really cute thought. Here is my white milk glass piece. It's a pitcher to add to my growing pitcher collection. And isn't the detail on it lovely? I'm not sure who manufactured it, but it is just beautiful. And this darling little boy with his dog. He is so cute, and of course he came with fall colors as well. Perfect for this time of year. It was $1.59. And then guys, look at this chicken picture. It is just so cute. And I love the colorful palette on it. Great for the summertime. You can see here the spout and also the part that is the handle and that you pour your cream into. That chicken costs $1.99 as well. I'm back to share with you this lovely Pyrex bowl that I found. I just had to get it. It cost $3.99, which seems a little pricey maybe for a thrift store, but actually I specifically wanted it because I grew up with these Pyrex bowls, and my grandma had them. All the ladies in my family owned this set. They came in a set of 4 nesting bowls, and they had a Pyrex had a couple of different palettes of coordinating bowls. I forget which one this is because it's kind of an olive green color, but you know, I had a really beautiful jadeite bowl about this size that I got from a friend. And one day I was actually using it to take food to a potluck and dropped it. Oh my gosh, I was so sad. I really loved that bowl. It was so pretty. But I figured this size bowl is about the same and I can use it for serving. And I just think it's perfect. So that was an exciting find for me. And this is so cute. Look at this birdhouse that I found. A little chicken with sort of a barn motif. Isn't it darling? This one I was lucky to get on half price. So it was originally $3.99. I paid $2 for it, and now I get to add it to my birdhouse collection. I love to use them, you know, out in my garden or even in my shed for decor. Let's move on. Oh my goodness, I found this basket, and I have been hunting for small baskets with handles that I can hang because I have a project that I'm going to be doing with them for Christmas time. And along the way, I came upon this basket. This one was $2.99 and it was also half price. So I paid $1.50. I just love these colors. Can you see them? Isn't it beautiful? Sort of combination of colors on this basket. It'll be so cute in the summertime in my decor. And then it has this sort of, it's actually on fabric, this little seed packet design on it. Isn't it just the cutest? Oh my goodness, I was so thrilled to pick this up. I just love the shape of it and the size. Now for two large items. These are the last two that we're going to be sharing today. And guys, it was a thrill. One of my gardening friends gave me this. She kind of got it for free as well and didn't have a place to use it in her home. Let me step away here. Grab this cabinet. Look at it. I am so excited. I plan to use this in my bathroom, and I am going to paint it. I haven't decided on the color quite yet, but it opens up and it has one shelf. It's a little crooked there, as you can see. Let's see if I can get it in there. There we go. There it is. So it has a nice shelf, some nice storage, and it also has a towel bar with little cubbies there at the bottom. Do you see them? Isn't that the best cabinet ever? I cannot wait to show you how I transform this in one of our Flipping Fridays, and also how I use it in my bathroom. This is going to be lots and lots and lots of fun. And one more large piece that I have for you. Here it is. I found this mirror at Goodwill, and the price on it was $8.99. But oh my goodness, it is just fantastic. Look at the detail on here. I'm going to be painting this as well, and see the fluting on the sides? I think it is simply gorgeous. Whoops. I plan to use this in my entryway gallery wall. So I'm going to be moving around some of my artwork to make a space for this. But oh my goodness, this is another Flipping Friday project that you'll be seeing coming up soon. And oh my goodness, I cannot wait to share it with you. It's going to be fantastic once we bring out all of this lovely detail that you can see along it. Isn't that something? for $9. And it wasn't on sale, but I didn't care. I was just thrilled to find it. Because I have been looking for a mirror to add to my gallery wall and hadn't had any luck yet. But when I saw this, I just grabbed it right up. It was a good price in my mind. So guys, thank you so much for stopping by my channel today and joining me for a thrift haul. And I hope you enjoyed some of the things that I found and that they inspired you to go out and do some thrifting yourself. I find it is just a super fun hobby, and I hope you do too. Join me in my next video next week. I think I'm going to be doing my Q&A video for the last Friday in October. And so friends, if you would like to ask me any questions about myself, my hobbies, crafting, gardening, or even why I started a YouTube channel, go ahead and put those questions down in the comments below the video here on YouTube so that I can add them to my list of questions to answer during the Q&A. Alrighty guys, thank you so much. I'm wishing you a very blessed weekend and that you stay safe and healthy. Thanks for watching. So long and bye for now.